vehicle icons.
Oh, that's cute.
And
But
here's the thing. I know you're the icon guy,
yeah,
right? I know you're the branding guy, the design guy, the VR guy, the finance guy.
a guy of things.
You're the guy, as far as I'm concerned. But actually, when I saw this story, I thought you're really the guy for it, because these icons reminded me of old drawings that you showed me of cars.
Yeah.
Your old art that you used to do.
Yeah.
WillDoArt.com or something like that. Is that what it is now? WillDoArt.com. Used to be an artist. You got to go look for his old artwork. It's highly valuable at this point. And he's sketching, and he's the guy who's on the streetcar, and he's just in the corner, he's just sketching. Very, very artistic looking. You remember those days?
Long time ago.
Yeah. Oh, wow, you're reminiscing. You're tearing up right now.
No.
Tearing up. Single tear. Anyway, so he showed me some icons. They weren't meant to be icons at the time. Little did he know Google would be inspired by his cartoon-looking cars that he was drawing, which are now inside of Google Maps for Android. And I have to say, I like them. They're very friendly, cartoony look, but they're 3D, which I like.
Yeah. Very cool.
But I don't know.
Very cool.
I don't really know what you do. So you choose a vehicle icon, and then, oh wow, that's actually that's so cool.